Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the exact chat you want to use. Once there, make sure your phone's location services are enabled and WhatsApp has permission to access location. This allows real-time updates. After confirming permissions, tap the attach or paperclip icon, pick location, and then select Share Live Location. You do this now so the app can establish continuous GPS fixes. Once you tap Share Live Location, WhatsApp will show duration options and prepare to stream. Once you tap Share Live Location, choose a duration that matches your plan, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, because longer sharing consumes more battery. Then add a short message so recipients know why you're sharing. After that, tap Send or Share and accept any confirmation prompts. This begins streaming. Make sure you can see the moving blue dot in the chat preview to verify it's working. If you're moving, you'll see the position update. If stationary, it will still transmit periodic fixes. To finish, open the same chat and tap Stop Sharing when you want to end the stream. Confirm to stop immediately. You can also tap the live location message to open details, see accuracy, and choose View on Map for a larger view. If recipients report stale location or it doesn't update, make sure your GPS accuracy is set high, background location permission is allowed, and mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Restarting the app or toggling location services usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.